Hi, cutie.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm just getting my pictures taken. I got a haircut beforehand.
You did, and you were so good.
Yes, I was a good boy. I've got some cool chocolate color on me, don't I?
Well, you do. Look at that.
Isn't that neat?
It's adorable.
I don't like that treat.
I'm sorry.
Well, do you have anything else?
I do.
What about bacon? I heard about all this bacon.
Oh, this bacon? I do have some. Look, I do have some bacon strips.
Oh, that's fun.
It's like fake bacon. Sorry.
Fake bacon. There's a lot to go around here.
See, I eat fake bacon.
Oh, do ya?
I don't eat real bacon.
Yeah, real bacon is yucky. This is probably fake bacon, don't you think?
Well, yeah, I do think so. Yep. So, how do you like it here?
It's pretty cool. I can't wait to get my own home, though.
One of your humans are being real noisy over there.
They are. Noisy humans.
He's one of your favorite humans, isn't he?
Yes, he is. He takes care of me every day.
Aw, that's so nice.
Yep, I like him. Look, he's over there.
Yep, but soon you're not going to need him.
Nope, I'll have my very own human.
You'll say, bye-bye, Basil.
Bye-bye, Basil. Hello, oregano.
Okay, bye.
Or what about marjoram?
Marjoram?
Yeah.
Like butter?
No.
No.
Oh, you're silly.
Oh,
bye.
geez. Okay, bye.